Faith gears up for first ever India Tourism Mart.
By all accounts, I think we're getting good response from not just the established markets but also the emerging markets. So we think that as we go along in the next couple of years, this will become bigger, stronger.
Over 600 applications that were received. 274 have been selected by a screening committee, and this screening committee is ensuring that we get only proper genuine buyers and not freeloaders.
FHRAI, through our other associations, have managed 900 noon nights for the buyers who will be coming, staying in Delhi.
ITTA में हम लोग जितने भी फॉरेन टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं, वो जो भी बायर्स हैं, उनके लिए हम फ्री ट्रांसपोर्ट दे रहे हैं.
Skål International India to introduce 3 new clubs by April 2019.
The 3 new clubs which we were looking at would be, the first would be the Jammu and Kashmir, and second would be Coimbatore, and third would be Bhubaneswar. Hopefully we should be done by April 2019.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Chennai's Vivanta by Taj-Connemara to reopen soon.
We've spent a year and a half now in renovating and restoring this property. We should open in the next maybe 15-20 days or maybe a month. We are going to reposition this as a very, very high-end hotel in the city.
With an aim to draw tourists during the upcoming Durga Puja as well as autumn season, Jammu and Kashmir Tourism to host Kashmir Festival from 29 September to 1 October 2018.